Hey guys, welcome back to Helpful Solutions. In this video, I'll show you how to fix iPhone not turning on. In the first step, charge your iPhone. For this, connect your iPhone to a charger for at least 30 minutes. If the battery is completely drained, it may take a few minutes before the charging indicator shows. In the next step, force restart. If you're using iPhone 8 or later, then quickly press and release the volume up button. After that, quickly press and release the volume down button. Then press and hold the side button until the Apple logo appears. If you're using iPhone 7 and 7 Plus, then press and hold both the side and volume down buttons simultaneously until the Apple logo appears. After that, release it. And if you're using iPhone 6s and earlier, then press and hold both the home and top or slide buttons simultaneously until the Apple logo appears, then release it. And the next step, check for overheating. For this, let your iPhone cool down on a flat surface for about 30 minutes if it's too hot. Lastly, update or restore via iTunes. For this, connect your iPhone to a computer, open iTunes or Finder and select update or restore if needed. And that's it. I hope you find this video helpful. Thank you for watching.